Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to join group on community on WhatsApp. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Any community member or admin can discover groups that are also part of the community. The maximum group size is 124 members. If a group is full, you can request to join the group when a member leaves or removed from the group. You'll either be added to the group straight away or when you request it approved, you'll see any group that are pending a request for you to join at the bottom of the list of community groups. So how to do it if you want to join the groups on the community? It's so simple. So first of all, you can open your community that you just joined and you can see the group that you can join on the community. There's one group. You can tap on that, tap on the group, and you'll find there is an option join group. You can just tap on that. Now, it says that I can't join this group because I were removed from this community, but maybe you can join another group in here. So here's the general group. If you want to join this group, your old group again, maybe you can ask the admin to invite you to join this group again. But if you haven't joined this group before, you can just straight away join on the group in here. So simple, right? So that is how to join group in community on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!